Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to draw astronaut skin crewmate plus pet robot from Among Us. So first I'm going to start making the visor of the crewmate. So curving leftwards, now curving down and curving back towards the right like this and join it like this. So there's the visor. Now I'm going to draw the reflection like this from curve. Now I'm going to start making the helmet. So stepping up, I'm going to make a curving line going downwards like this, then curve. Now towards the other end, I'm going to curve and continue making a line towards the other end and join it there. Now I'm going to make the helmet. So let's just curve from the left side and make a circle, curving upwards then downwards like this. Now I'm just going to make the visor of the helmet. So from there I'm going to curve downwards. Now from that point I'm going to connect it to the visor like this, and the helmet's almost completed. I'm going to join it with the rest of the body. So from the visor I'm going to curve downwards towards the visor. Now I'm going to make the rest of the body curving downwards. Now from the other end I'm going to do the same like this. Now I'm going to make the legs of the crewmate, so curving inwards and same with the other end, and from there I'm going to make a line like this. Now curving towards the right and up and join it with the leg. I'm going to make the backpack, so I'm going to curve it outwards and same on the bottom. I'm going to connect these 2 points like this with a curve. Now I'm going to make the suit of the astronaut, so a curving line across the body and another line just above it. Make sure you keep the distance even between the 2 lines. So there is a control box in between the suit, so I'm going to make a line like this. Now I'm going to make a L and a curving line with joining the L and the suit. Now a line parallel to the first line, and there are some controls over it, so I'm going to make a line. Stepping down, I'm going to make another line and join these 2 lines with a curve like this. Now I'm going to make 2 buttons, one on the left and one on the right. Now from the bottom of the body I'm going to make a curved line towards the controls like this and another line just beside it. I'm going to make the end of the pants like this and on the other leg like this. Now I'm going to make the shadow like this, a curve, and same on the body like this. Now I'm going to make the pet robot. So first I'm going to make a line like this, then stepping down I'm going to make another line parallel to it. Now connect it to make a rectangle like this. Now I'm going to make a C, a long C like this, and 2 circles in the rectangle like this for the eyes. Now I'm going to make a neck. I'm going to draw a square, a big square for the body of the robot like this, and a slanting line just beside. Bring it down and connect it with the rest of the body. Now make a circle for the wheels, a circle here, a circle here, and a semicircle towards the right end of the body and connect it with the first circle, then connect it with the second circle like this. And that's pretty much it. There you have it, this astronaut suit crewmate with a pet robot. Make sure you subscribe and like to the channel. Thank you guys, keep watching, goodbye.